Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for printable party invitations, business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Now as you see, you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to customize and set up your websites easy and quickly. So you have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and also you can go to basic setup and you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. You can search for your business or your website type. You can enter your website name now. So here, if you wanna add something to your website. Now let's continue to dashboard. So let's go to design the site. Okay, so how do you like to design websites? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize design templates. For me, I'm gonna get started from here. So let's begin. Okay, as you see here, you can review and edit your information. So you can add your information, your email, your address, and your phone, and also you can add the social link. Okay, let's move on. Now you can pick a theme you like. So you can try your best to choose the right theme that's gonna match your business. Okay, so the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts, it's more important to make your site look attractive and attract more customers to your website. Okay, now you can pick your favorite homepage design. I'm gonna choose this one right here. So here, if you want to add page to your site, you can skip all this and you can customize them later. Wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. Okay, so as you see here, this is the editor page. You don't have to change everything here, you can do just a quick edits. Okay, so for example here, you can add elements, you can add sections, you can manage the page and the menus, you can also design the sites, you can add apps, manage your business, manage the media. Here you can manage the CMS or the marketing and SEO. For example, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Here you can upload images, you can import images, you can explore images free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Here you can customize the theme buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, the item button. Here you have payment buttons. Here you can customize the decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes or rows, horizontal lines or vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can add, for example, a section. Just select the type of the section, what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. You can just select your favorite design from here and you can add it on your editor page. Okay, so now let's move on to the next section. So here you can customize your site design. You can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, or the page transitions. So that's it. Now let's move on to the first section, the header section. So you can do quick edits. For example, if you want to change the paragraph, this site name right here, you can change it. Also, you can manage your menu, the horizontal menu. So here the contact section. As you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, the title, the text title here, the text file title, the email file title, and also you can manage the Google Maps. So you can do multiple or one location details. Here you can add your address, the title, the description. Okay, so that's it. If you want to change the color in the background, just click like this and change strip background. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. So here you can manage events. For example, if you want to add more events on your website. Let's move on to the next section, the subscribe form. So here you can change the subscribe form. For example, if you want to add a new file, you can add the first name file, the last name, your phone, the phone and the country code. So whatever you like to add from the files here. So that's it. Also you can change this section, the background, the color, for example. Okay. Let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here. You can, for example, if you want to change this text right here, just describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna create it for you. Also, you can edit the text or change the font. You can change the style, and also you can change the font. Okay. So that's it. If you want to change the font or the color in the background, you can choose the right color to make your site attractive and aesthetics for the colors and the fonts and the themes. That's it. Also, if you want to change this image right here, just click on it and click change image. Now you can search whatever you like on the search. Okay. So that's it. This is the last section, the footer section. You can just customize your email and the company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save it from here. You can save your editor page. And if you want to publish your website, now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.